Hi! In this video, we will explore some practical digital tools that can support cultural organization in creative interactive content. Today, there are many digital platforms available. However, the goal is not to use as many tools as possible, but to select the right tool for the right purpose. For example, interactive timelines can be very effective when you want to present the history of an event, the development of a project, or the evolution of a cultural initiative over time. They allow audiences to explore content step by step and understand progression. Interactive maps are useful when your project is connected to specific places, territories, or routes. They help users visualize geographical relationships and discover information in a dynamic way. Visual storytelling tools can transform photos, short text, and basic content into engaging digital narratives. These tools are especially useful for small organizations with limited technical resources because they are accessible and intuitive. When choosing a digital tool, it is important to consider three elements: your objective, your audience, and your available resources. Ask yourself, what do I want to communicate? Who will access this content? How much time and capacity do I realistically have? Digital tools should simplify communication, not complicate it. A simple, well-structured interactive story is often more effective than a complex project that is difficult to maintain. In this project, we focus on accessible and sustainable tools that cultural organizations can integrate into their everyday practice. The objective is not technical perfection, but clarity, engagement, and meaningful communication. Thank you for watching.